Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial where I want to show you basically the best tips and tricks for beginners in Hytale. Okay, now what are you gonna do, guys? First of all, the sound progression is probably the most important. Okay, do not skip sounds. The game is designed to be played in a certain order. First of all, you have your Emerald Grove, which is your the sound one where you're basically gonna spawn. Then you have your Howling Sands, which is the zone 2. Then you have your boards, which is the third zone, and the Devastated Lands, which is, near where I am right now. And it's very, very dangerous, and I don't recommend you coming here, until you're very, very, very good. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now, what else? You're gonna have to smash your crates, okay? Inside your dungeons and your ruins, smash every single wooden like crate or barrel because they often gonna contain better loots, such as potion, ingots, than the chests themselves, okay? So be wary of the caves. Now, guys, you also have to do a lot of vertical mining here. Unlike Minecraft, where you have your strip mining, which is digging in like a straight line, okay, like this. Okay, this is very inefficient. Hightail caves are very massive and open, so you're gonna have to do like this kind of vertical digging, which is gonna be much more efficient than digging just blindly. Okay. Also, guys, I want you to pay attention to the left roll. Okay, to the dodge roll, which you can actually trigger by pressing, Control or left Alt. Okay, and this is gonna allow you to basically dodge the enemy's attacks. Okay, so these are the tips that I'm gonna recommend you do because the enemies, in my opinion, are harder than in Minecraft. Okay, they're gonna kill you faster if you're not careful, especially the creeps. Okay, so yeah, this is what I recommend you do. Thank you so much.